Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a Brookstone heated blanket, setting the timer correctly can make a big difference in both comfort and safety. Many people enjoy the warmth, but don't always take advantage of the built-in timer feature, which is designed to automatically turn the blanket off after a certain period. This helps prevent overheating and also saves energy while you sleep or relax. The tricky part is that the timer controls can vary slightly depending on the model, and if you're not familiar with the controller, it might not be obvious how to set it properly. Once you understand the button sequence, the process becomes quick and effortless. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to set the timer on your Brookstone heated blanket so you can use it comfortably and safely. Try these. Step 1. Plug in the heated blanket and turn it on using the controller. Step 2. Locate the timer button on the control unit. Step 3. Press the timer button to activate the timer setting. Step 4. Select your desired time duration using the control buttons. Step 5. Check the display or indicator light to confirm the timer is set. Step 6. Leave the blanket running, and it will automatically turn off after the set time.